there's a boat over there. And look at the beautiful water. I have never seen water this blue in my entire life. Just took some corals. They look pretty. Don't worry y'all, that's not dirty water, that's just murky because this place is like near a mountain. Yeah, the mountain over there. And apparently that mountain like loses much of its land a lot because it's mostly sand and not what you usually find on mountains apparently. So yeah, that's what happens. And my mom are falling behind. Bro, they're so slow. And that's the hole I wanted to go to. See, it's the like little cavern cave. Bagan magayon mami dito mag-surfing. You know, wait. Anyways, kind of it looks like a spider, but it's oh, bro! Inbibidyohan ko, bro! Oh, it's here. No, it's right there. Bro, where'd you go? Bro, we're at camouflage. Huh? Bro, so fast! Yeah. Bro! Ah, it's so pretty! So pretty! Now let it go. No. Let it go! I'm gonna eat it! No, we don't. Oh, bro, what the fuck? No. I let it go! You said to let it go, boy! I didn't tell you to kill it.
pala.